So let's go over what we covered in this module. Well, the first thing that we did is we talked about the ISA and HASA relationship and how inheritance and composition are different and how they are modeled differently by the ISA relationship and the HASA relationship. Then I showed you an example of using basic inheritance in Java. We saw how we could actually create inheritance inside Java and inherit a class or inherit some data from a class. Then we went through and did the same thing for composition. I showed you how in Java you could use composition or create a class that's composed of other classes. Then we covered the difficult topic of polymorphism, and we really strove to understand exactly what polymorphism is in Java. Then we went through and we talked about how you should favor composition, and I give you my personal opinion and some advice on why composition is better to use than inheritance, especially in Java where you can't do multiple inheritance. And finally, we talked about an important concept, interfaces, which allows us to use composition and still allows us to do polymorphism. Well, that's it for inheritance and composition. I hope you learned a lot about using inheritance and composition in Java. And in our next module, we're going to get into a very interesting topic, which is generics.